सर्व सद्गुण संपन्ना गीता भक्ति परायणा भवितुं जीवनेऽस्माकं जागृता बालका वयम् उत्थाने राष्ट्रधर्मस्य विज्ञानदृष्टिमाशिता विवेकानन्दमार्गेण वयं सर्वे समर्पिताः।
Hey, Raju.
Take this your lunch.
Thank you so much, Raju. But why do you take this trouble every day? Since the day my hand is burnt, you have been getting me food every day. Even a relative won't do so much for me.
It's totally fine, Dinesh. First tell me, how is your hand?
My hand is much better than before.
It will be perfectly fine soon. Just take care of yourself, okay? We'll make a move, huh? Hey auntie, from where are you coming with this much stuff? Come on, let me help you.
Let it be, son. You'll get late for your work.
No worries auntie, it will take only 2 minutes. What happened to him?
A speeding car just knocked him down and went away.
So what are you all looking at? Pick him up. Quickly. Somebody please call auto.
So friends, today's story is of Raju, who can never see anyone in pain. He tries to get people away from their sufferings and do his best in it. Just now you all have seen, when he saw an injured stranger, he got very much worried, as if he is related to him. Whereas every other person was looking at him, he took him immediately to the hospital. To do something for someone without any selfish means is called selflessness.
So doctor, how is Baba's condition now?
Look, now he's out of danger, but I think he's lost his memory. That's why he's not able to recollect his name. By the way, what's his name?
Sorry, I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? He's not related to you?
No, he's not. Doctor sir, I was on my way to work, so I saw him injured due to an accident and his head was hurt badly. So I just brought him to the hospital. By the way, when will he recall his memories?
Look, I can't say anything now. Maybe one day, 1 week, 1 month, or it might take a year as well. Look, he's in a trauma right now. And if forcefully we try to bring back his memory, then he might suffer from brain hemorrhage. And he can also lose his life.
Doctor sir, by the way, when will Baba get discharged?
Look, he'll be discharged in a couple of days' time. Then if you want, you can leave him to a old age home.
Baba? Baba? Old age home in such condition? Who will take care of him there? No, no. I cannot leave him like that.
I have prescribed a few medicines. They will go on for 3 months. Please go and get them.
Doctor sir, I have decided. I will not send Baba to any old age home. I will take him to my home so that I can take good care of him.
Okay. It sounds like a good idea.
Come, Baba. Come. Come in, Baba. Come in. Please come. Sit here. I will make a tea for you, okay, Baba? I just come. Take this, Baba. Hot and fresh tea.
Raju, you are my grandson, isn't it?
Huh? Yes, Baba. I'm your grandchild. And why are you asking me this question again and again? Whole way you ask me this question only. I am your grandchild and this house also belongs to you. Now please have a tea. Don't put pressure on your brain. You have a serious head injury. And doctor also said the same thing. Okay? I'm sorry, Baba. I don't like lying with you. But to save your life, I don't have any other way, Baba.
Raju brought a stranger to his house just because he wanted to look after him. Raju has always been a helpful person, but this time he took a bigger step further. Because Raju was financially not sound enough to take good care of someone and look after him. But Raju had decided this. He will keep this stranger with him till he doesn't get better.
Raju,
Yes, Baba.
son, what is my name?
Name. Your name. Girdhar Gopal. This is your name. Girdhar Gopal.
Okay. Giridhar Gopal. Yes, it must be. But son, you didn't tell me what do you do?
Baba, I work in a factory. And my factory is very far. You know, Baba, it's a very hard work for me.
What hard work will you kids of today do? Eh? Hard work was done by our generation. We used to walk a distance of 15 kilometers for work. But Where I used to go exactly? I can't remember. But Raju, what I used to do?
Baba, even you also work in a factory. And only because of you, I also recruit there.
Where have you been, Raju? I have been looking for you since 3 days.
Who is he, Raju?
Baba, he is my friend Ravi.
Baba?
Baba. Baba.
Good day, Baba.
Ha, stay happy, child.
Baba, I will come back a while. We'll come in sometime, Raju.
What's
you come,
this?
come.
What is all this, Raju? You have been always alone. Then where did you get this Baba?
You know what happened? I was on my way to work. And then I brought Baba at home. I was always alone. But maybe God has written in my stars to serve an old man. Let it be. You tell me, how did you come here?
Actually, Raju,
Tell me. Come on, tell me.
you didn't come to the factory for 3 days. So boss has hired someone else in your position. And you know it very well. That the boss is a very strict person.
But, friend, now how will I manage Baba's medicines expenses?
Raju, you have not paid me 3 months' rent. Either you pay me the whole rent today itself or vacate my house immediately.
Shukla ji, please don't say such things. I will definitely pay your rent as soon as possible.
Okay, I will give you 2 more days. After 2 days, I want my full rent or I will throw all your stuff out of my house. Did you get it?
Yes, Shukla ji.
I have prescribed a few medicines. They will go on for 3 months. Please go and get them.
Raju, you didn't come to the factory for 3 days. So boss has hired someone else in your position.
Okay, I will give you 2 more days. After 2 days, I want my full rent or I will throw all your stuff out of my house. Did you get it?
Raju's financial condition was not very great. Above that, he was also sacked from his work. Strangers' medicines and house rent. He had to manage both the things, but he didn't lose any hope.
this is your today's wage.
Thank you so much, sir. If you have any other work, please consider me.
Sure.
Hey, you're playing Chotu?
Raju uncle, Baba was looking for you.
Oh, thank you. Baba, you wake up.
Yes.
Take this. These are medicines for your whole week.
Raju, where do you go so early morning?
Nothing, Baba. Went out to meet a friend. Take your medicine.
Raju, why are you not going to factory since 2 days?
Factory is closed for some days. But our boss is a good person. Even on holidays, he pays us a full salary. Baba, take this. Shuklaji, you?
Yes, me. If you're giving me rent, then only talk to me. Or else remove your stuff right now from the house. Since the last 3 months, I'm just listening to your excuses.
Shuklaji, please give me one chance. I will pay you full rent.
No, not even a moment. Come on, get out of here.
What happened, Raju? Any problem? And who is he?
Hey, Anand Dada, you? Do you remember me?
Who are you?
I'm Satish. Do you remember when I was young? I used to work at a tea stall. It was you who removed me from there and got me admitted to a good school. And today, whatever I am is just because of you.
I can't remember anything.
Due to an accident, Baba lost his memories. And in that accident, he got serious head injury. Doctor said, if you will try to bring his memories back, then he might be die also. That's why I brought him with me at home, so that I can take good care of him.
Raju, you might not know, but you have done a very good job. You are not only taking care of an old man, but you are serving such a wonderful man who has supported so many needy people like me in his life. Raju, from today itself, you do not have to pay any rent for this house. From now on, this house belongs to you.
What happened, Raju?
Nothing, Baba. Nothing.
Do good, turn and forget it. He always followed this proverb and always helped people, and in return to his help, he never expected any kind of help from them. But the Almighty, He keeps accounts of everyone and He always gives the fruit as you deserve, rightfully. I would like to make a request to all my friends. Always try to help the needy people. You will feel satisfied and your life will be filled with tremendous happiness.